Are you tired of blenders that choke on frozen fruit, leave gritty textures in your smoothies, or require endless scrubbing to clean? This Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender is here to revolutionize your kitchen with its professional-grade performance, smart preset programs, and effortless cleanup. This isn't just a blender. It's a culinary game-changer designed to make healthy, delicious meals a breeze. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Vitamix Propel 750 is worth every penny, diving into its features, real-world performance, and why it's a must-have for home cooks, health enthusiasts, and busy families. Ready to discover the blender that can do it all? Let's blend in, solving your kitchen struggles. Blenders often promise versatility but fall short when it comes to power, consistency, or durability. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 tackles these pain points head-on. Say goodbye to lumpy smoothies, weak motors that overheat, and tedious cleanup. With a 2 HP motor for preset blending programs and a self-cleaning feature, this blender makes everything from velvety smoothies to steaming hot soups effortless. Whether you're blending fibrous greens, crushing ice, or whipping up creamy dips, the Propel 750 delivers restaurant-quality results every time, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen. Why the Vitamix Propel 750 stands out. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 combines iconic Vitamix durability with modern convenience, making it a standout in the crowded blender market. Its 64 ounces low-profile container is perfect for family-sized batches, while the BPA-free Eastman Tritan material ensures safety and durability. Unlike average blenders that burn out quickly, Vitamix blenders last up to 10x longer, according to a 2022 study comparing Vitamix Ascent and Explorian models to a standard blender. With a 7-year warranty, this is an investment in years of flawless blending. Key features that make it exceptional. Here's what sets the Vitamix Propel 750 apart from the competition. 2.2 HP motor. Powers through tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and fibrous veggies with ease, delivering silky smooth results. For preset programs, smoothie, hot soup, frozen dessert, and dips and spreads programs offer walk-away convenience for consistent blends. Self-cleaning program. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and the blender cleans itself in under a minute. Variable speed control and pulse. Customize textures from chunky salsas to velvety purees with precision. 64 ounces low-profile container. Ideal for multiple servings, fitting under most kitchen cabinets for easy storage. Dishwasher safe. The BPA-free container and lid are safe for dishwasher use, making cleanup a breeze. Laser-cut stainless steel blades. Built to last, these blades handle years of tough blending without dulling. Real-world performance. What can it do? To truly understand the Vitamix Propel 750's capabilities, let's dive into how it performs in everyday scenarios. We put this blender through rigorous tests to see if it lives up to the hype. Smoothies that wow. Whether you're blending kale, frozen berries, or protein powder, the Propel 750 creates ultra-smooth smoothies in under 45 seconds. The powerful motor and vortex-creating container ensure no chunks or grit remain, even with fibrous ingredients like spinach or chia seeds. The smoothie preset takes the guesswork out of blending, delivering perfect consistency every time. Imagine starting your day with a creamy green smoothie that tastes like it came from a high-end juice bar, without the price tag. Steaming hot soups in minutes. One of the Propel 750's most impressive features is its ability to make hot soups from cold ingredients using blade friction alone. In just 6 minutes, you can transform raw carrots, onions, and broth into a steaming, velvety soup. We tested a roasted red pepper and tomato soup, and the hot soup preset delivered a piping hot, restaurant-quality result with zero stovetop cleanup. This feature is a game-changer for busy weeknights or cozy dinners. Frozen desserts and creamy dips. Craving a healthy dessert? The frozen dessert preset whips up ice cream-style treats using frozen bananas, yogurt, and cocoa in under a minute. We also made a silky hummus using the dips and spreads preset, which perfectly balanced creaminess and texture. The pulse feature is ideal for chunkier blends like salsa, giving you total control over consistency. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning blenders can be a chore, but the Propel 750 makes it a breeze. The self-cleaning program requires only warm water and a drop of dish soap, leaving the container spotless in 60 seconds. For tougher residues, the dishwasher-safe container and lid handle the job without weakening the material. This feature alone saves time and makes the blender a joy to use daily. Benefits that transform your cooking. The Vitamix Propel 750 isn't just about blending. It's about elevating your culinary experience. Here are the top benefits that make it a kitchen essential. Unmatched versatility. From smoothies and soups to nut butters and frozen desserts, this blender handles it all, replacing multiple appliances. Time-saving convenience. Preset programs and self-cleaning free up your time, making healthy cooking accessible even on busy days. Long-lasting durability. Built to last 10x longer than average blenders, backed by a 7-year warranty for peace of mind. Perfect for who should buy this blender? The Vitamix Propel 750 is ideal for health-conscious home cooks. Those who love smoothies, soups, and whole food recipes will appreciate the power and consistency. Busy families. The 64-ounce container is perfect for batch blending, saving time for family meals or meal prep. Culinary enthusiasts. If you experiment with recipes like nut butters, dips, or desserts, the variable speed and pulse features offer precision. Anyone upgrading their blender. If your current blender struggles with tough ingredients or requires constant maintenance, the Propel 750 is a worthy upgrade. Pros and cons. Is it worth the investment? Pros. Powerful 2.2 HP motor tackles any ingredient with ease. For preset programs, simplify blending for consistent results. Self-cleaning and dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. Large 64-ounce container is perfect for families or batch cooking. Durable build with a 7-year warranty ensures long-term reliability. Sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Cons. Loud operation. Like most high-powered blenders, it's noisy at full speed. Not ideal for single servings. The wide 64-ounce container is better for larger batches than small smoothies. Premium price. At $550 to $630, it's an investment, though its durability and features justify the cost. Why choose the Vitamix Propel 750 over other blenders? Compared to competitors like Ninja or NutriBullet, the Propel 750 offers superior power, durability, and versatility. While cheaper blenders may handle basic tasks, they often struggle with tough ingredients or burn out quickly. The Propel 750's 2.2 HP motor and stainless steel blades ensure consistent performance, and its preset programs add a level of convenience that budget models lack. Compared to other Vitamix models, like the A3500, the Propel 750 prioritizes simplicity with analog controls over digital touchscreens, making it ideal for those who prefer straightforward operation without sacrificing power. Real user insights. After scouring forums and reviews, users rave about the Propel 750's reliability and ease of use. One home cook said, "It's a lifesaver for busy mornings. Smoothies are perfect every time, and cleanup takes seconds." Another user noted, "I've made everything from almond butter to frozen margaritas, and it never skips a beat." Some mention the noise as a downside, but most agree the performance outweighs this minor inconvenience. Final verdict. Is the Vitamix Propel 750 worth it? The Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender is a powerhouse that delivers on its promises of power, versatility, and convenience. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a soup enthusiast, or a dessert experimenter, this blender makes healthy, delicious meals effortless. Its 2.2 HP motor, preset programs, and self-cleaning features set it apart as a top-tier kitchen tool. While the price and noise level may give some pause, the durability, performance, and 7-year warranty make it a smart investment for anyone serious about cooking. Ready to transform your kitchen? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.